Okay, someone wasn't getting the correct signal from their oscilloscope. In your pack you should have got a little screwdriver like this, and with your attenuator you can adjust it. So if you just connect it up to the test ports at the side, you should be able to get your signal. And if it's not exactly square, you can adjust it. So you just put the little screwdriver in there and make sure that you are on channel 1. You're on ×10 for the attenuator, and then you can just adjust it like so to make it more square. So that's going the other way. So if you are going to connect up to your AC mains, obviously this is how I done it. I put the negative connected to neutral, the attenuator on ×10 to the brown live, and obviously I'm just going to plug this in, and then obviously don't go near this once you've plugged it in. Then you can make sure that your oscilloscope is on channel 1, it's on the AC and not DC, and this is set to ×10, and then you should be good to go. So you can just plug that in. So once that's plugged in, you may not get the correct waveform straight away, so you can either press auto, and that just bring it up for you there. That's on 100-volt scale and 10 milliseconds horizontal width divisions. If it doesn't, you can just do that manually. So just make sure that you're on channel 1, you're on AC ×10. So to change the scale, the voltage scale, you can just press channel 1 and then you press left or right there. So you want to make it to the 100-volt scale, and then the time divisions you can move up and down. So you want that on 10 milliseconds.